Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Hi there everybody! Welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my old friends, thank you for coming back today. And if you're one of my new subscribers, one of my new friends, thanks for joining me today and I hope you come back. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you love me, don't forget to share. But today I am going to just be having a little bit of color therapy, maybe a little bit of glitter. I'm not really sure where it's going to take me, but I do know that I'm going to be using the NYX Swear by It palette. I have used it in my last 2 videos, I believe. So go ahead and go check those out if you want to see more looks with this palette. But I'm going to probably do like 2 different colored eyes, I think. You know, why not? I don't know if I've done that yet before. A million people have done it, so tag, everybody's tagged. I'm the last to the party. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I'm probably not gonna, tutorial it to death and go through every little step that I'm doing, because this is kind of my therapy time. I'm just gonna enjoy playing in colors and grabbing this and grabbing that and doing a little bit of this and doing a little bit of that. Without further ado, let's have some fun. Guys, in Michigan it is 0 degrees. Like, I don't have my phone on me right now, but it's legit 0 degrees. It is freezing. It says that it feels something like -15. I'm drinking some hot cocoa. This is actually my second video of the day, plus I've cleaned the whole house. I've gotten my school bags together for tomorrow. I go back to school. Tomorrow is Monday. Yay! Yay! But it's been a really, really busy day, and I just feel like I don't want to get behind on my shooting schedule. I know that probably nobody cares about that but me, and it really shouldn't be a big deal because I have like 90 something subscribers. But it matters to me because that is the kind of person that I am. Like, if I say, I'm gonna be here every Tuesday and Friday, I really want to be here every Tuesday and Friday uploading a new video for anybody that might care. I care. That's all that matters to me, and that's why I do these videos, because it's fun for me. I enjoy the process of filming a video, doing my makeup, and playing with like no... what's that saying? No holds bar? I don't know what that means. It makes no sense to me. Whatever. I just feel like it's therapeutic, it's fun, it's playtime. Nobody's here to tell me no. I don't even know where I was going with that, but we're gonna go ahead and play with some color, and I do these videos for myself because I enjoy this entire process. This is one of the funnest hobbies I've ever had. Probably second to renovating furniture. I love doing that. I love turning trash into treasure. Speaking of trash into treasure, oh man, winter makes you feel rough, but let's try and do something about that. If you hear any, demon screams in the background, that's just my 2-year-old. She's having a moment. She's having a day. Alright, we've got our MAC Painterly Paint Pot on our eyelids, feeling nice and good. And I think the reason you don't necessarily have to set this one is because it kind of dries down to a powdery finish. With that said, I'm still going to set it a little bit. I'm going to set my eyes with this shade right here. Eyes are primed, and we're going to go in with this middle shade right here. They are numbered on the back of this palette, so whatever number this is. Oh, that is not bad for one dip in the pan. I'm getting and get just a little bit more. So that went on pretty darn easy. I think on the other side I want to do like a purple shade. So I think I'm going to go ahead, I don't know, I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just do it really, really, really lightly, and maybe even mix it in with the lighter shade. Because I've used her before and she is beautiful, but she is pigmented. Alright, we're going to dip in again. I'm going really lightly so I don't over commit in the pigment department. I'm going to dip in just one more time for a little bit extra. On really nicely. Make it nice and close. They blended out so nicely, honestly, they did. I take a little bit of Shape Tape. So I've cut the crease on this side, and I'm going to do the same on the other side.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm going to start with this side. Alright, we're just going to go with it, and we're going to go with God. Ooh, that is stunning. Here's one eye done, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, just with a different color. Let's do this. Alright, let's try and clean her up a little. We're going to do a purple and a blue in each opposite waterline. The things we do for our waterlines. Nice. I really am loving how this is turning out. Like really, I'm loving this. Eyeshadow colors are so awesome. I mean, they look so good. Comment below if you think these colors are kind of like kicking some ass. Kissing some ass, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. Every time I hear the baby squeal, I just eat more fruit snacks. I just noticed that my makeup is like totally matching my shirt, kind of. Although I didn't use green, but kind of turquoise. But there's other colors up here. But yeah. Left are my lips and my lashes, so I will be right back. Alright you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. That is all I have for this therapeutic, colorful moment. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of makeup therapy yourself. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!